Hey guys, welcome back on this Health Cloud tutorial video. So today we are going to talk about what are the providers in Health Cloud. Okay, so uh, list out what we are talking in this video. So first of all, um, we are talking about what is the provider in Health Cloud. Okay, and why that centralized data is important for the providers. Okay, and how Health Cloud helps to the providers. Okay, and some key features in Health Cloud, so and whatever. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all we need to know about what is the provider. So what is a provider in Health Cloud? A provider is anyone or any place who give the health care to patients. Okay, and this includes like your GP, general practitioner or doctor, nurses, therapists and other clinical staffs. Okay, providers is all about hospital, clinics or labs where the patient receive care. Okay, and provider may also include administrative role like receptionist who help with appointment scheduling, right? So these are all about the provider. What is the provider? Okay, so provider is nothing, just like uh, thing which are provide to uh, health care to the patient, so that is called provider. Okay, like example for nurses, therapist, your GP or doctor or whatever. Okay, so next thing, why the centralized data is important for providers. So let's talk about this. When you visit a provider, like you are going for a checkup, it's important. It's important all patient information is stored in one place. So that's why the centralized data is very important for the providers, so that they can access all the information at one place. Okay, all the patient history data, patient medicine, patient treatment or whatever. Okay, so this centralized data has receptionists to quickly find your information and book appointments, doctors to view your complete medical history and plan templates or treatment properly, and specialists to review past tests and give better advice, right? Without centralized data, care team can be slower or you know there may be chances to for the mistakes or reduce the uh, or risk in the patient care. Okay, so next is how the Health Cloud helps providers. So Health Cloud providers is a central hub to store all the patient data securely, right? It supports appointment scheduling, including phone or in-person appointment. Okay, and it offers a portal for the patient to view their health reports, tasks, and goals. And care provider can access important patient information remotely and supporting modern needs like telehealth, right? This system helps coordinate care from various providers for smoother health management. Okay, so however, this is help in Health Cloud for the providers. Okay, let me just some let's talk about some key features for providers in Health Cloud. So first of all, provider relationship management. Okay, so provider relationship management manage the information about doctors, their qualification, experience, or other staff efficiently. Okay, the second one is patient management, personalized healthcare service focused on individual patient needs. Right. The third one is intelligent automation, automate process like scheduling appointment and follow-ups. Okay, so that we don't need to have the manually book the appointment, and there might be some chances to that the patient have to wait for the appointment. So these are all nothing. So so we can automate the process of this which we are talking about, right? The fourth one is patient acquisition and outreach, target specific patient groups for screening or health campaigns based on demographic data, right? And the fifth is secure permission. Different role have different roles. Different roles have access only to information they need to protect a patient privacy. Okay, so let's talk about some real life example highlights. So suppose in New Zealand, a patient have a unique ID linked that is linked to all their medical records. Okay, Health Cloud helps. So how the Health Cloud help in this area? So the Health Cloud helps manage this data securely. Okay, and after COVID, many appointments shifted to the phone calls or virtual visit, which helps to which Health Cloud also support, right? And then provider can quickly share information and reducing wait times and improving their treatment processes. Okay, so these are all about the concept which I want to talk in this session. So let me just summarize what we are talking in this. Okay, so in Health Cloud, a provider can be a doctor, nurse, hospital, or a clinic. Okay, who's provide the care to the patient to better health care, right? And Health Cloud keeps all your health information in one safe place, so your healthcare team easily access and coordinate your care, making everything faster and better for you. Okay, so these are all the concept which I want to talk in this today's session video. I hope you understand, and I hope you understand very well to make your concepts better. Thank you.